So hello and welcome my friends. I am your Sandeep sir and you are watching my YouTube channel MLT Tutorial by Sandeep sir. In the earlier videos I have told you about the different type of medical laboratory technology courses, different level of courses, and after passing these courses which job can you get, who are which organization this course promoted, like government bodies, like private universities, from where you can study these courses, and how much salary can you get, how much could you earn by a partnership lab or your own lab. So all of you, I just give in the description, all the video links are there, you can find them. And another thing is that in my last video I told about some my students who have passed the BSc microbiology. They have asked for MSc medical lab technology, and I put a video for them. So in this video I am going to tell your question answers apart from my chapter wise video lectures for my online and offline students. My question answer, my yearly question answer, that is brief and small type question answers, and 10,000 MCQs that I committed to give you within 2 years. Apart from that, I am just now give some video for you for counseling purpose for you. Some of my viewers, some of my subscribers are from outside our country also. They asked me about the difference between the BSc MLT and BMLT. What is the difference between that? So they asked me to describe about that. So BSc MLT stands for Bachelor of Science in Medical Laboratory Technology, and BMLT stands for Bachelor of Medical Laboratory Technology. So here only technology is focusing, and here science and technology both are focusing. So now this is the difference between the science and the technology. So just understand, try to understand this chronologically, try to understand this science and technology. The science is a methodical way of gaining knowledge through observation and experiment. So science is always running and is based on the nature. So by observing the nature, by some type of experiment, the idea is built by the science. Whereas technology, what they are doing, practical application of scientific knowledge. So whatever the knowledge acquired by the science is applied by the technology. So now what is it? What is it? Said that the process of exploring new knowledge. So science always explores. Science is a continuous process. So science always exploring new knowledge. And technology, what they done, use of knowledge to create new products. So like that, there are some knowledge that the clock is a knowledge. Like camera is a knowledge. And what the technology has done, technology put the camera in mobile phone. This is the technology. So now the change, about the change, what science can make. Science cannot make change. That means the science only understand that there is electricity in this universe. Michael Faraday just done that work, that electricity in this universe. What the technology has done, the technology changed that thing. How it changed? They generate electricity by burning coal, by burning petroleum, or from water. So they change that, and the technology is changing continuously. That means some of my students are still confused about that. Sir, I know about the machine A and machine B, but do not know about the machine C. But here is the A, B and C. All the machines are built on the same concept. Like in the medical laboratory science, there is a main chapter, that is the main section, that is the biochemistry, where we estimate blood constituents. So blood constituents, by estimating to estimate the blood constituents, we generally maximum use the photometers. So photometers is built on some photometric concept, and this photometric concept is changing continuously. First generation it was colorimeter, second generation it was spectrophotometer, third generation it becomes semi-auto analyzer, fourth generation it becomes batch analyzer, and fifth generation it becomes random access analyzer. So you have to know all that things, not that you just assimilate the idea, assimilate the concept. So you should follow me in the biochemistry class. That after soon this counseling episode, I shall start my biochemistry classes. So now deals with the building ideas. So science developed ideas, building ideas like that. For this photometer, there are two laws: Beer's law and Lambert's law. Science amalgamate this law, Beer's and Lambert's law, and technology put it into practice. That is the photometer put it into practice by the technology. So evaluation. Now the main thing is the evaluation. Evaluation is the main thing. Is the evaluation part. There is the interpretation. Say a patient requisition has came with suspected liver function disorder. So doctor advise you to test liver function test. There are 6 to 8 tests, and along with that there are some hematological tests and urine test. So science is that part, the technology is that part, that they just test the thing. They just test evaluate the value of the different test results. And science, a BSc MLT science graduate is the duty to correlate these things. Well, it should have a particular direction, that whether it is the patient is suffering from pre-hepatic hepatitis or hepatocellular hepatitis or post-hepatic hepatitis or other than hepatitis, there is cirrhosis. So interpretation of the result and correlation of the results. So if it is not correlation, if the whole report is not any direction and direction is deflecting, so the science graduate advise the technologists to perform the test again, particular test, to find a constructive direction. So here is the application. And now the science is the inclusion and deduction, that is the theory development. Like with the corona, that in the first stage all of you learned that some A, B, C have to do and D and X, Y, Z have not to do. But after that the corona episode is running, some theory is included, that among the ABC that you must do, some deduct that C part you should not do, and that they advised you earlier that XYZ have not to do. They said, now they are saying that X is included in the have to do part. So inclusion and deduction. So science is a continuous process. So by that process they develop theories. Whereas technology only designs, only synthesis of things. Applications that the science can predict. Science can predict a thing like a lunar eclipse. Science can accurately predict when the lunar eclipse will occur, from which time to which time, in which day, and from what region you can see a part eclipse, a full eclipse, that the science can predict with the help of the technology, that is with the telescope. So what the technology do? Simplification of work. Simplification of work. That is the fulfill the needs. That for the needs, technology is application. So now These are the problems that I have told you, that the BSc MLT and BMLT, now you are greatly confused which course you are going to do. You have to do now the RX part, like the advice part. Now the advice part is that I am not confusing you. I am clearly advising you about that in the degree level, it is too early stage to differentiate at science and technology. So BSc in the graduation level, after the master degree level, you can clearly differentiate between the science and technology. And in the graduation and master degree level, there is nothing remarkable. Course design is nothing remarkable. See that here is a remarkable line, red line. But in the course design, there is nothing remarkable. So it is because it is too early stage. So my advice is go for any course. Any course you can adapt, and I promise you to guide you through my online videos. And course duration depends. Somewhere course duration is 3 years, somewhere it is 3 years plus half years internship. It is very important. Half years internship is very important to get the exposure of the industry, as well as to build a new relationship with the industry, with your employer. And there is the third option is the 4 years. Some private university offering 4 years for the global recognition, because some bachelor degrees less than 4 years globally somewhere it is not recognized, and not it is like that you are tomorrow you are going for job at Canada or USA. So in the BSc level, it is my advice to you to go for best. It is the 3 plus half years internship. It shall be better for you, and best for you 3.5 years. So 3.5 years you should proceed for that course. And course fee, how it is differs in this purpose, I have already put a video in the description. That is differ by government or private, and obviously it is in the private it shall be higher. It depends on the duration, that is the 3 years and 4 years. Of course there is a difference in the course fees. And C is demographical position of your city. If in a small city you are studying this course, so obviously that shall be low in the low course fee. And if you going for a metro cities like Delhi or Bombay, it should be high, because there is a city living there, so high living cost is there. And D is brand. Brand is the great factor. All of you know the brand has a great value. So my advice you to go for any course, BSc MLT or BMLT, because there is nothing remarkable, distinguishable, differentiating thing is there. So as per your merit, that when you get the chance, as per your merit, your financial status, that is your financial background, your financial family support, that depends, and your convenience. Convenience does means that it may be the distance, it may be with your ailments, your family ailments, your family obligations, that these are the things are included in your convenience part. So my YouTube channel is MLT Tutorial by Sandeep sir. You must subscribe to this channel to get the early notification of my every video, and as per my promise, I shall give you all the chapter wise lecture in this video program. So thank you, and share this video. Thank you.